Hi friends, so in the previous module we have tried to cover every aspect of file related thing in Linux, whether it is to create or delete, move, and with the powerful commands also grab SCD and AWK command. Okay, so in this lecture let's get started with controlling task and automation and also scheduling in Linux. Okay, so let's move ahead. So what's in this module for you? So first you will learn cell and their types. Okay, and what cell we use by default and what cell we are going to use in our demo. Now next we will learn how to create bash script. So bash is one kind of cell, we will learn about it. Then we have scheduling automation using cron job. We will cover every aspect of cron in our demo. Then we will learn about environmental variables, how you can set up, how you can unset up them. Then you can see how you can process and job control, how you can control them, how you can see and how you can filter them. And then we will learn about how you can switch user and run command. Also we will see how you can create new user and sign in with that user. Okay, so let's move ahead. So what is a cell? So you can refer cell as another program in Linux, so which provides the interface between user and operating system, right? So you are not that kernel is like it will provide an interface from hardware to software, right? Similarly, the cell is to provide an interface between the user and operating system. Okay, so when the user logs in OS, so OS starts a cell for the user. Kernel controls all essential computer operation and provides the restriction to hardware access, coordinates all the executing utilities and manage resources between the process. Using kernel only, user can access utilities provided by operating system. So there are varieties of shell. So currently the most common known as seven type of cell type. So first one is bash. So bash means born again, BA born again shell. So that's the most common default shell in Linux distribution. Okay, and it's an enhancement of the original born shell, the next shell. Okay, SH, and here SH means cell. Okay, now next one is we have SH cell. So this is original cell. Okay, so that was used on Unix. It is simple and fast but lacks some feature, and to overcome this feature we have bash. Okay, now next one we have dash. So it's a Debian Alquist cell, so a variant of Alchemist cell. So this is used as a default at bin sh on Debian based system. Okay, now next one is KSH corn cell. So this offers many features combining element of both the bone cell and C cell. Okay, next one is C shell and TSH cell. So CSH offers a syntax that is quite similar to the programming C programming language, and it might be bit interesting to you. And while the TCH is an improved version of CSH. Okay, now ZSH, referred as Z shell, combines many of the useful feature of BAS, KSH, and TCSH. Okay, it is known as its interactive, useful enhancement, and extensive to customization capabilities. Now, next but not at last is we have Fish, which is friendly interactive cell. So it is known as a all of them user friendly and interactive feature like syntax highlighting, auto suggestions, and tab completion. Okay, so hope we are clear with the cell basics and the basics of the different types of the cell. So now let's move on our Ubuntu VM and let's see how you can create bash script. So we will cover them in two lecture. So first let's understand the basic of a bash and then we'll learn about it. Okay. So let's move ahead on our Ubuntu VM. So I'm on my Ubuntu VM. I will launch my terminal. Now I'm hoping you might have learned about VI editor. So I will use VI editor to create my shell script here. So what I will do, I will create a script here. So I will go to desktop first. Now I will create a file by VI and then let's create our script dot sh. Okay, so by default I will tell you by typing the file name command. So I am giving the command as sh. I will write something in it so that it will detect sh. So if I am writing it, I am giving the extension as sh. I know that it is going to be our shell script. Okay, so I am hitting enter. I am here. Now I will press I for insert mode. Okay, now I will try to save it just. I will hit escape, then I will save it by line mode WQ. Okay, I will hit enter. Okay, now I will exit it. Now we have our script.sh file, correct? Now let's see what's the file type of this our script.sh. Okay, I have typed in the command, and if I will hit enter, so it is saying that it's very short file, no magic, and nothing is special about this whenever you have added an extension or not. Okay, so the extension will not tell you that hey, it's my shell script. So it's in something in the content of the file will tell you that hey, it's a type of the project. Okay, now let's move ahead on our file. I will hit insert I. So by default, what we used to do, we used to type echo and then it will type hello world, right? So in our terminal, what we used to write, we write echo hello world and then it's okay, and it used to write. So it's just a basic program, okay? So we are telling that in the terminal, just print this. Now for creating a file script, you should start our script with cbang line. So I will tell you. So basically that is a character called for a shay, shc bang, and then that's a bang. Okay, so every cell script will start with these two characters. Okay, now after this, it the interpreter knows that hey, it is going to write some code, that this guy is going to write this code. Okay, so I'm using born again shell bin bash, so I will use bin then bash. Okay, and now I will type echo whatever I can type, hello world. Okay, now I will exit from insert mode. I will go to line mode and then I will press WQ. Okay, write and save. Okay, and I will also exit it. So I have done that. Let me see the command of our script. What's the contents? Okay, now if I will type file our script.sh, so what it will tell you, hey, it was changed to born again shell script. Okay, and also it's an ASCII text executable. So how did it tell that hey, it's a born again script? Okay, and why did it? So you have understood the concept of writing this one. So that's a cbang. So it will tell you that hey, it in the whatever you are going to write in the next step, it will be as an interpreter. Okay, so here I have given the path of my bash. So how you know that hey, my bash is here? So for that, you can use command which. We have illustrated which in our earlier section. So you are going to type which bash. So my bash is stored at which location, and so that I can use it. So it's located in user bin bash. So you can press here user also. Okay, you can write in here. Now this is only for bash. Okay, this is only for bash. If you want to create a python executable, then also you can create it. How you can do that? So you can do that. So let me first get the where is my python, whether it is installed or not. Okay, it's not installed, so I should have installed it. So let me install the python and let me come back. Okay, now I have my python installed. Now if you want to see where your, so let's see how you can change it to another thing. So if I will type which perl, so okay, now my perl is in this section. Okay, now let me open my our script file, so cd desktop. Okay, and I will go to my, so what's the file type of our script? So it's born again shell. Okay, now how it has detected? So it has detected because of the our cbang line, and after that we have whatever we have wrote. So if I will go that, so I will press I for insert mode. Now here you can see that it was bin bash. Okay, so it's a cbang. Now after that we have typed bin bash. So whatever we have typed for per perl, so I am going to do that bin and then perl. If you have set up your python as environment variable, you can give it like here, so bin python. Okay, now let me exit from insert. I'm command mode. I will go to line mode and I will hit and q and hit and save. Okay, so if I will go there and if I will write file our skip.sh, so now it is, so basically I haven't saved any my environment variable, that's why it's saying bin python, but it's a python script. Okay, so if you have set up your environment variable properly, so it will tell you that hey, it's a python script. Now let me again go to my vi script.sh, and I will go to insert mode. Now if I will, my Perl was set up, so what I will do, I will do this. I will go to line mode, exit by writing and saving it. Now if I will write file our script.sh, my Perl environment variable is set up. So once I will go, it will tell you that hey, it's a Perl script text executable. Okay, so the shell script is not for only born again shell. You can define your environment variable, and you can ready your any kind of script there, whether it could be Python or Perl. Okay, so hope you have understood this. So yeah, I don't want to make the video larger, so we will continue our creating bash script in the next lecture. Till then, take care.